Hey everybody, welcome to Sandy's Creative Connection. Hope you're having a good day. So the project I'm showing you today is a card that was inspired by one I saw on StampinSavvy.com. I changed the colors up. Love the technique, so I thought I would try it. So I'll share it with you. What you'll need today is you will need for the card base 8.5 by 5.5 piece of gray granite. That's one of our new colors. Now this piece is 3 3/4 by 5, and this will be your first layer. So the first thing you're going to do is take the basket weave embossing folder, and we're going to emboss the base of this card. So I'll be right back. I'm back, and here is my embossed card base. And remember, that was one of those dynamic embossing. See how deep it makes the impression? You don't use 2 clear acrylic plates. You only use 1, which is a little different than what I've taught in the past. So all right, so next step, we've got the base done. Let's work on the first layer. Now, this is heat embossed. I've got a tutorial. If you don't know anything about heat embossing, I have a tutorial, another video on how to do the basics. So I'm not going to spend much time on that. And of course, if you have questions, just ask me. More than happy to answer any questions. So let me show you the stamp set. It's called Accented Blooms. It's on page 19 of our catalog, and it's coordinates with this punch, which that punch is punches are on 211. It's called the Tailor Tag punch. Tailor Tag right there. So I'm going to take the embossing buddy. I think I already did this, but make sure. Embossing buddy. I'm going to bring in Versamark. I'm going to grab this stamp out of the stamp set. Going to ink this up. This really does a nice embossed image. Now you're going to try to get it down to the very bottom. And you can see, well, you can't hardly see is the problem, but we're going to grab some white embossing powder. And I'm going to go emboss it. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Here's my image, nicely embossed. I know it's completely embossed because everything is shiny. So the first thing I'm going to do is attempt to get my punch clear up in there, and I cannot. So I'm going to go and just cut off a little bit across there. All right, so here is where I cut it off just a little bit. You'll see that now I can easily access that area to punch it out. I don't want to do that just yet, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to, oh, I didn't tell you about the colors, Gray Granite and Gorgeous Grape. These are all new colors for 2018, 2019. I'm going to grab the Hello out of that same stamp set right here. It's Hello. See if I can get a better image. Yes, much better. So now I'm going to punch this out. And I don't know if you know that there's a half gear on punches. See, I can't pull that out. But if you'll line it up, go halfway down so that it's just holding it in place, you can do some fine adjusting. There. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just do one little tick of snail. Get you in the picture here of snail. And my purpose in doing that is to hold this in place, because this is going to be, it's not going to be its final home, but I'm going to use it to help cut out, because I've struggled on my other cards cutting that out and getting it perfectly aligned. So I found that if I used this, my eyes see it a little bit better. So let's see how I do. Oh yes, perfect, perfect, perfect. So see, that left a little white line there, and the edge all the way around is perfect. And it's because I could see it better in the white. So I'm just going to take that back off, save it for something else, throw it down in my scrap bin. All right, where are we? Here is my card base. So I think the next thing I want to do is tie the ribbon on. I'm going to take about 6 inches. And we had the discussion in class, do we like it better on this side or do we like it better on the right-hand side? I think the conclusion was right-hand side, because it disappears if we do it on the other side. So I'm just going to do a little half knot. Actually, I'm going to do a full knot. I love this ribbon, this little polka dot ribbon. It is so cute. So, so cute. There we go. All right, now I'm going to pop it up with some dimensionals. Because you know me, I love my dimensionals. I'm going to put a few down around just to give it support around where the punch is located. All right, and then I'm going to go in at an angle until I'm happy with where I'm at, so it doesn't stick down until I'm ready. And then what I'm going to do is put on some more snail. Now, I think I'll use green glue because I want to be able to move it around if I need to when I'm applying this hello through the window. So I'm just going to pop it in right through there. See how the green glue allows me to move it around till I'm happy? And there you go. And then I'll push it a little harder once I get it in place. All right, so that's the outside, and then of course the inside, there's these other stamps in here, these little tiny fine line stamps that I like to use. I'm going to use the gray granite. You could use the, let's switch it up. This one is gray granite and the gorgeous grape. Let's see what it looks like the other way around. Let me clean my stamp. Let's use gorgeous grape as the greenery. See which one you like better. And this stamp is so fine that you don't want to put much pressure because it smashes very easily. But I love the look. All right, so that's in gorgeous grape. And then the words are always thinking of you. And that is here. So we're going to do that in granite. Okay, here we go. Get it straight on your grid so your eyes can be straight. Perfect. All right, there you have it. And the envelope, you guys tell me, which one do you like better? I think I like the gray better, just because it conforms to the card better. All right, so you got to dress up your envelope. And I think on my envelope, I'm just going to use this pretty little vine. You could do 3, or you can do just 1. Nice. All right, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the card. All of these products are available for sale in my online store. Please visit, and if you have any questions on how to use the products, drop me a comment. I'd be happy to answer any questions, and I hope you have a wonderful day.